Alright, welcome to this video. Alexander here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your first or your whatever video on your YouTube channel. In the previous video I teach you how to actually create a YouTube channel. So this is now done. Now we're going to upload our first video. See you on the other side. Okay, so first a few words about videos. If you are somehow or other in the networking, team building profession, then in my eyes you need to make videos, because the online space has changed over the last couple of years. We are now obviously in summer 2015. And everybody with these smartphones, everybody is watching video on his smartphone, and static pages without video movement, without stuff like that, just don't work that good anymore, let's say. I'm sorry. So I recommend you strongly you make videos. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you are at least considering doing videos. Maybe you already shot a few videos, maybe you're already a video pro but you never used YouTube, whatever. If you are one of those who consider to make video, I strongly recommend it. Now, if you have never done a video, you might ask yourself how to do it. How to do it is a very good question, and I am working currently on a course how to do professional looking videos, how to, let's say, semi-professional. Because like videos that I like, the one that you are watching right now, semi-professional, I'm not using a professional equipment, so you don't need to invest a lot of money. You can simply use your laptop. The camera of the laptop is now shooting that video. And what else you need? You need a laptop with a camera and microphone, or a smartphone with which has usually microphone and camera, with a selfie. I do several videos with my selfie. You can watch on my channel. Many of these videos are made with a selfie. So what you need is a software. Obviously I'm working on a Mac, I use ScreenFlow. Now, if you want to go more into that, I'm working on a course on how to create videos the way I do it, which you can use on your webpage, which you can use on, just upload them in YouTube. If you make them short, you can use them on Facebook, other social media. This course is going to launch. I don't know yet when, I'm sorry. But be sure that on the blog page where this video that you're watching right now is published, which is on my blog, alexanderrozinek.net/blog, there under the category skill training, you will find a YouTube blog with all my YouTube videos. And I will update this page from time to time. So when the course is out, it will appear on that blog page. Make sure you subscribe to my blog, because you will get update for any new training that I'm publishing. So let's dive into the content now. Let's say you created your first video, however you do it, whether you do it semi-professional, zero professional, or very professional, and you now want to upload it to your YouTube channel. So you log into YouTube, your channel, and you click here on the top right corner onto upload. Now you can either click and select a file from your computer, or you can drag and drop it from a folder into this field here. I'm gonna click here and to upload, and we are going to upload the video I just created before about how to create a YouTube account. So I'm going to choose that. And you see I have predefined a lot of stuff about uploading. Now you can choose here public, unlisted or private. Public means everybody who goes to YouTube can find and watch your video. Unlisted means nobody can find your video except those who have the link. For example, if you embed your video in a page, in a web page or in a blog or whatever, and you don't want people to find it without first going to your blog, you can click on unlisted. If you click on private, nobody but yourself can watch the video. I never use this option. Doesn't really make sense to me why I would upload it if I don't want anybody to see it. Anyway, this video obviously is going to be public. Then you can here put the title. I have all this predefined and I'm going to show you in another video how to do that. You can type in a title here and you can type in a description of your video. Now my description is this one. I'm going to change that here. Actually, I'm going to change that text later on again because I'm going to put here the actual blog where this video will be published into the text here. Then you have tags. You can tag your video however you want so that search engines find it easier. I have also this predefined, and you can add it to a playlist. If you create playlists, which I may do another video later on. Actually, I have some playlists. You can create a new playlist. I'm gonna create a playlist actually. YouTube training. Create. So this video will be in the playlist YouTube training. Let's see what's happening. So that's how you can define. You see here, now it's in the YouTube training. Playlist. You can also share it on Google+, Twitter, whatever. I'd never do that. I prefer to take the link later on, which is this link. Your video will be live at that link. I will use that in posts on social media. Now here it says the video you uploaded may have audio video sync issues. Please refer to this article for advice. You can go there, click and see how this works. There is some tips from YouTube. I usually don't do that because most of my videos there and my face is anyway only visible in the beginning and in the end most of the times. And if not, it's in a little corner here down. It doesn't really disturb. But I may in the future go into that, dive into that and learn how to do that properly, and so that I don't run into this issue anymore. For right now, it doesn't really matter me. You can add a message here. Let's add a message. I'm going to do that later. So this is, I'm going to pause the recording here for some time, and because this is going to take some minutes, we don't want to spend so much time. I'm going to be back when the video is uploaded to show you how to finish the stuff. Okay, so it's now uploaded. You see the upload is gone. Now it says processing. That's something that I don't know exactly what's the difference, but we don't need to know because we just wait till it's finished. I want to make a little note here in between. There is what we already did here is the basic info. There is an advanced settings. You can tap here. Then you can say allow commands. I usually allow commands approved. You can allow all of them or only approved. You can choose this. I'm going to put all here. Users can view ratings for this video. You can tick or untick. You can use different licenses. This stuff is all not so important. Usually you just leave it in the default This con is never aired on television in the US. You leave that. Don't change that. You get troubles if you do. Allow embedding. This is if you want to embed it on your web page. Age restrictions. We don't need that because we don't make this type of videos, right? You can choose a category. There's many categories. Video language. Recording date. I'm gonna put here today. That makes sense for this video. Make video statistics on the watch page publicly visible. You can hide them also if it's a 3D video, whatever. Most of this stuff we don't need to do. I just wanted to show you that it exists. And I'm gonna pause again until the processing is done. It's still in 0%. It takes some time. Okay, welcome back. So you see now processing done, it says. Now in a few seconds there should appear here the thumbnails, which we can do. I usually create, not usually, sometimes I create my own thumbnail with some texting, which I'm going to do for this video. But that would explode the frame of this video. So I will pause again and be back when I created the thumbnail. Okay, actually I do it different. It's a little bit confusing if pause and come and pause and come, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press publish, click on publish. Now you have here the link, right? I'm going to copy that and see what's happening if we paste that in the browser window. Supposedly the video should load now. Look at that. Here we are. Right. Hello there. Alexander Rozinek here. I have a little bit strange video Welcome here. To this video. Somehow I probably made a mistake when I created the video. Let's see. I'm not so fat as in this video. Today anyway, I'm gonna show you how to open how it works. So now we can go return to editing. That's an important feature. And you can see here are the thumbnails. We can choose different thumbnails or upload a custom thumbnail. If you upload, then it opens here and you can choose whatever thumbnail you want to use. I'm going to do that later, so that's just how it works. You search for the picture that you want to use as thumbnail, then you click on choose and that's it. I'm going to cancel this now. And that's it. So I already showed you in another video, I showed you how to embed your email in your page. Yes, I even showed you how to make it autoplay, whatever. That's in the following video on the same page on my blog. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.